Hello students, welcome in your English class. Let us continue to do exercise number 13.1. Part A we have done, now it's turn of part B. Here we are having two prepositions in or into. Students, you know that in indicates the resting position. जब कोई चीज़ किसी चीज़ के अंदर ऑलरेडी है, इज इट ओके? एंड इनटू इंडिकेट्स द मोशन पोजीशन. जब कोई चीज़ किसी दूसरी चीज़ में जा रही है, इट मीन्स द प्रोसेस इज कॉन्टिन्यूइंग. देन वी विल गो विथ इनटू. सो हेयर वी आर विथ द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस. द डॉक्टर इज सिटिंग डैश हिज क्लिनिक. कहता है डॉक्टर अपने क्लिनिक में बैठा हुआ है. सो व्हाट डू वी डू? द डॉक्टर इज सिटिंग in his clinic. In preposition will come here. At number 2 we are having the sentence the frog jumped dash the well. अब कहता है कि जो फ्रॉग है, जो मेंढक है, उसने वेल में, कुएं में बेटा जंप किया था. वो ऑलरेडी कुएं में नहीं था. सो द प्रोसेस continued. So what do we do? Into. Is it okay? Next is he was sitting dash an armchair. तो वो आर्म चेयर में बैठा हुआ था. ही वॉज सिटिंग इन एन आर्म चेयर. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज डोंट थ्रो योर सेल्फ डैश एनी ट्रबल. कहता है खुद को किसी मुसीबत में नहीं डालो. डोंट थ्रो योर सेल्फ इन टू एनी ट्रबल. इज इट ओके? इट मीन्स यू आर नॉट ऑलरेडी इन द ट्रबल. You are advised not to throw yourself into any trouble. At number 5, we are having the servant threw the rubbish dash the pit. Pit means a small hole into the ground. The servant threw the rubbish into the pit. Is it okay? Into a small hole. So you will write the preposition into here. The octopuses live dash water. The octopuses live in water. वो पानी में ही रहते हैं. Next is the kingfisher dived dash the lake. Dived into the lake. Is it okay? And last is its sentence. We saw the cat entering dash the kitchen into the kitchen. Because the cat was not already in, it was entering into the किचन. ये किचन में जा रही थी. द प्रोसेस वॉज गोइंग ऑन. इट वॉज नॉट स्टिल पोजिशन. इज इट ओके? यस स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस कंटिन्यू टू डू एक्सरसाइज नंबर सी of exercise 13.1. So here we are. We have to make use of the prepositions on and upon. So what do we do? On क्या होता है बेटा? On when the two surfaces are touching their selves. It means for example, the book is lying on the table. You can see here we can take example of the ball. The ball is lying on the table. The ball is kept on the table. अब you can see that both the surfaces are touching. दोनों surface touch कर रहे हैं ना, and the ball is in resting position. So we will go with the preposition on. But if the ball is jumping or the cat is jumping over the table, then what do? We will go with the preposition upon. The cat is jumping upon the table. Is it okay? Why? Because now that cat is doing motion. It will be in motion. जब वो इसके ऊपर से बेटा छलांग लगा रही है, then we will use the preposition upon. At first sentence, the opposition leader delivered a speech dash poverty. So we will go with the preposition on poverty. Is it okay? At number 2, the tiger pounced dash the deer. अब टाइगर ने पाउंस किया. कैसे? उसने छलांग लगाई किसके ऊपर? Upon the deer. Because tiger is in the motion. It is not in the resting state. So we will go with the preposition upon here. At number 3, the book is lying dash the desk. The book is lying on the desk. Is it okay? At number 4, we hit dash a wonderful plan. We hit upon a wonderful plan. Now what do? We will go with the preposition upon here. At number 5, I have written a poem dash nature. Of course beta, you know that we will go with the preposition on. I have written a poem on nature. मैंने nature पर एक poem लिखी है. I hope students that these exercises are also clear to you. These are easy to do and you have to just go through the rules of the given prepositions. Just try to do by your own. Thank you, students. Good.